Now, in this question, 3 upon 10 by 6 upon 20. We have to divide 3 upon 10 by 6 upon 20. Let's write. How should we write here? We have to place the division sign between them. 3 upon 10 divide 6 upon 20. 6 upon 20. Now, we will use the reciprocal property to change this division into multiplication. As you know that, what is the reciprocal of 6 upon 20? 20 upon 6. This 3 upon 10 will come as it is. We can write here 3 upon 10. And division sign can be converted into multiplication. So we can convert it into multiplication. And 6 upon 20 becomes 20 upon 6. So you are able to cancel. We are having a common divisor of 10, 20. We got both the numbers are coming in a 10 table. So we can cancel 10 when they're 10, 10 to the 20. And this 3 and 6 also can be cancelled. Also you can cancel 2 and 6. 2 when that 2, 2, 3 just 6. This 3 and this 3 can be cancelled. 3 when that 3, 3 when that 3. What will be left in numerator? 1 into 1. So we can write here 1 into 1 upon 1 into 1. 1 into 1, so you get 1 upon 1. 1 in the 1, 1 in the 1. 1 upon 1 means what? 1. This is our answer. Okay. So next number 5 upon 12 y minus 5 upon 12. Here also same things. We have to place the division sign between them. 5 upon 12 divided by minus 5 upon 12. Again, this 5 upon 12 will come as it is. So we can write here 5 upon 12. And the division sign can be converted into multiplication. What is the reciprocal of minus 5 upon 12? Minus 12 upon 5. So we are having the common divisor 5 in the 5. Both 5 can be cancelled. 5 in the 5. This 12 in the 12. 12 in the 12. What will left here? Right here 1 into this minus sign and this 1. Minus 1. 1 into 1. 1 into 1. When you multiply 1 into 1, so you get minus 1 into 1 upon 1. When you divide this minus 1 upon 1, so you get minus. This is our required answer. Next, minus 6 upon 7 by minus 8. Again, we write here minus 6 upon 7. In place of I, we should put divide sign. Minus 8. Now the division sign can be converted into multiplication. So minus 6 upon 7 will come as it is. Division can be converted into multiplication. Here minus 8. What is the reciprocal of minus 8? Minus 1 upon 8. Now we having a common divisor of 6, 8, 2. We can cancel this 6 and 8 by 2. 2, 3 the 3 are 4 times. Now what will be left? We can write here minus 3. This minus 1. Minus 3 into minus 1 upon 7 into 4. 7 into 4. Minus minus plus 3 when they are 3. And 7 when they are 20. This is our answer. In next, 0 divided by 9 upon 17. 9 upon 17. Here also 0. Directly also you can write the when fill in the blanks. We had learned that when 0 divided by any number we get answer 0. Direct you can write 0 also. In this case also you can write direct minus 1 because same number. When a number divided by itself, so we get 1 but there is a minus sign, that's why we are getting a minus 1. Okay, with the help of this rule you can do it. Here also directly we can write 0, but I am using the reciprocal property. 0 will come as it is. Divide can be converted multiplication, and upon 17 becomes 17 upon 9. Now you multiply, what we get here? 0. Got it? Now, what numbers should be multiplied by minus 7 upon 26 to get the product 56 upon 78? In this question, we have to find by which number we should multiply minus 7 upon 26 to get the answer 56 upon 78. We can write here, let the required number be x. Then h4 first number multiplied by second number. So what we get when you multiply two numbers, so you get their answer is called a product. Here also we are having the two number. One number we have given and second number we suppose x. We can write here first number minus 7 upon 26. This should be, if this number should be multiplied by x, we will get the product 56 upon 78. Product is 56 upon 78. In place of product, we write here 56 upon 78. Okay. Now, here we will use the reciprocal property. Also, you can use cross multiplication, but I will use the reciprocal. This number, when a number will go in that side, and there is a multiplication sign between two numbers. If you are taking the one number in that side, so we have to put division sign here. X is equal to 56 upon 78. This whole number I am taking that side, that there is not any plus or minus sign between them. There is the product. When you take any number from left hand side to right hand side, so this number when you are taking, here we have to put which sign? Division sign. So, and number you write as it is 7 upon 26. Now we'll solve it. X is equal to 56 upon 78. This division sign can be converted into multiplication. What is the reciprocal of minus 7 upon 26? 26 upon 7 minus 26 upon 7. In bracket you can write here the reciprocal of minus 7 upon 26 is minus 26 upon 7. Okay, that's why we are writing by 20. Now, here numerator and denominator can be cancelled because they are having the common division here also. 26 1 ja and 26 3 ja. And here 7 1 ja 7, 7 8 ja 56. So x is equal to, what will have 8 into minus 1? We write here 8 into minus 1. Denominator 3 into 1. We write here 3 into 1. When you multiply, what we get here? 8 1 ja 8 and plus minus minus. We write here minus 8. Here 3 1 ja 3. 3 1 3. Also you can convert into mixed fraction. When you convert in mixed fraction, you get here minus 3 2 ja 6. 2 whole 2 upon 3. What if this is your answer? So you can write here, hence the required number is minus 2 whole 2 upon 3. Now, the product of two rational number is minus 6 upon 9. We have get the product of two number. If one of the number is minus 4 upon 3, find the other. We have the one number, other number we have to find. We can suppose here, let the other number be x. Then you can write here h for function. Same concept we will use. If first number multiplied by second number, what we get? Product. Their result is called a product. Here also we have in first number. What is the first number? Minus 4 upon 3. And the product of two numbers is minus 6 upon 9. So in place of product, we write minus 6 upon 9. And in one number, what we should write here? Minus 4 upon 3. And second, other number, in place of other number, we will write here x. Minus 4 upon 3. Other number is suppose x. And product minus 16 upon 9. Here again, this number we want to take in that side where there is a multiplication between this number and this number I want to take in that side. Which side I will place here? 16 upon 9 will come as it is. This x will come as it is. Minus 16 upon 9 will come as it is. Now I want to take this number from left to right and there is a multiplication sign. Okay. So this number will come as it is and here we will put which sign? Division sign. Minus 4 upon 3. Okay. Now x is equal to minus 16 upon 9. Division sign can be converted into multiplication by using reciprocal property. What is the reciprocal of minus 4 upon 3? In bracket also you can write the reciprocal of minus 4 upon 3 is minus 3 upon 4. So here in place of minus 4 upon 3 we can write 3 upon minus 3 upon 4. Now we are having a common division. 4 and 16 can be cancelled by 4. 4 1 ja 4. 4 4 ja 16. And 3 9 also can be cancelled. 3 1 ja 3. 3 3 ja 9. So x is equal to what we left here? Minus sign is there, so we write minus 4. Here minus sign and 1, so we write here minus 1 upon 3. This 3 into here 1 to 1. Minus minus plus and 4 1 ja 4, so we write here 4. 3 1 ja 3. This also can be converted in a mixed fraction. If you convert 3 1 ja 3, 1 will be remainder. We can write here. At last you can write hence the other number is 1 whole 1 upon 3. This is our answer. Let's see. Today we are going to learn rational numbers between two rational numbers. How will you find the rational numbers between two rational numbers? Let's see. Natural number. How many natural numbers are there between 1 and 8? Can you tell me how many natural numbers are here? Obviously 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 6 natural numbers between 1 and 8. If I ask you how many whole numbers are there between 0 and 4, you can say that there are 3 only. 1, 2, 3. If I ask you how many integers are there between minus 2 and 3, so you can say that 1, 2, 3, 4. When it comes, how many rational numbers are there between 5 upon 9 and 7 upon 9? You may have thought that there is only one number. Which number? 6 upon 9 will lie between these two numbers. But you can also write, 5 upon 9, 850 upon 90. How can we write? We are multiplying by 10, both numerator and denominator. That's why we are getting 50 upon 90. And 7 upon 9 as 70 upon 9. Now, can you find out total how many? Because these are the equivalent fraction. You can say equivalent. This is also equivalent. When you cancel, the value will be 7 upon 9. 0 cancel by 0. So you can 7 upon 9, 7 upon 9. Here now, 50 upon 90 and 7 upon 90. Total how many rational numbers are there? So we can send it here. Numbers after 50, which number will come? 51 upon 90, 52 upon 90, blah 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 blah. Then 69 upon 90 are all rational numbers. Rational numbers lie between 5 upon 9 and 7 upon 9. 5 upon 9 and 7 upon 9. Okay. the numbers, how many numbers are there between us? Is 50 upon 90 and 70 upon 9. There are numbers lie between 50 upon 90 and 70. Numbers lie between 50 upon 90 and 70 upon 90 are how many numbers total? 19 are 19 numbers are 90. Total how many numbers? Numbers lie between 50 upon 90, 70 upon 90 are 19 numbers. How will you get 19 number? When you subtract this 50 from 70, you get 20, then less 1. That is the number 19 number. Now, but also you can write. Also, you can write 5 upon 9. Also, 5 upon 9 is, we can write 500 upon 900 and 7 upon 9 can be written as 700 upon 900. Here in this case we are multiplying by 100. When you multiply by 100, you have 500 upon 90, 900, and here 700 upon 900. Here also you will get how many numbers total? When you subtract this 500 from 700, what you get? 200. 200 minus 1. 199 number will lie between this. Again, you can write 5 upon 9 and return 5000 upon 9000. And this 7 upon 9 can be written as 7000 upon 9000. Now you can say that total how many numbers lying there? When you subtract 5000 from 7000, you get 2000. It minus 1. So how many numbers lie between this 5000 upon 9000? So you can say that 1999 numbers will lie here. So as many as rational number you want to find, you can find with the help of this method. Correct? This method we will use to find out the rational number between any given two rational numbers. Now in this question we have to find the three rational numbers between -1 and 3 upon 2. How will you find? If we want to find the three rational numbers between this, then the first we have to make their denominator same. Let's see how can we make their denominator same. -1 can be written as 1 upon 1 and 3 upon 2. How will you make the denominator? With the help of LCM. So we can write the LCM of 1 and 2. What is the LCM of 1 and 2? We can write here LCM of 1 and 2 is 2. Okay. Now when you divide this 2 by 1, what you get here? 2. So this number should be multiplied, both numerator and denominator should be multiplied by 2. And here this 2 divided by 2, so you get 1. So this number should be multiplied by 1. Okay. So what do you get here? Minus 2 upon 2 and here 3 upon 2. Here as you know that how many numbers will lie between -2? Now denominators are same. Now you are able to compare numerator -2 and 3. Between -2 and 3, three rational number, any three rational number you can write -2 before what will come? -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. If you can't understand, here I will show you. Here 0, 1, 2, here -1, -2, here 1, 2. And here 3, 1, 2, 3. Total how many numbers are lying between this -2 and 3? Here 1, 2, 3, 4. We want to write any 3. Upon you can write it 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. That is having denominator 3. With the help of this, you are able to understand any three rational numbers you can write between that. So you can write here, hence which number? -1 upon 2 and 1 upon 2 and 0 upon 2 are three rational numbers. Rational numbers lie between which -1 and 3/2. This is our required answer. Got it? Let's see in this question. Find three rational numbers between 1/2 and 1/5. If we want to find three rational numbers between them, so once again we have to make their denominator same. How will you make their denominator same? By taking their LCM, the LCM of their denominator. So we can write here 1/2 and 1/5. Here we can write here LCM of 2 and 5 is equal to, what is the LCM? Both are prime numbers, so their product will be LCM 10. LCM is 10. Now this LCM 10 divided by 2, so you get 5. The both numerator and denominator multiplied by 5. So we can write here 1/2 into 5 into 5. And this LCM 10 divided by 5, so you get 2. Both numerator and denominator should be multiplied by 2. Here you get 5/10 and here 2/10. Okay, but here when you see here their denominator are same. When you compare their numerator, what you find here, there are only two numbers are lying. Which two numbers? 3 and 4. But we have to find the three rational numbers. So how will you find? As we know that this 5/10 can be written as, we can write here. Now 5/10 can be written as 50/100. How can you write it as a 50/100? When you multiply 5/10, okay? There are many students, they are not able to understand. So here you can use this concept. We are multiplying both numerator and denominator by same number. Okay, this is the rule of rational number. Okay, if I want to make the change in numerator, so I should multiply number in numerator. So same number should be multiplied in denominator as well. Okay, so here we are multiplying 10 both numerator and denominator. So what do we get here? 50/100, and this 2/10 can be written as 2/10, and the return 2/10 into 10 into 10. So here also what we get here? 20/100. Now we have 50/100 and 20/100. Total how many numbers are there? When you subtract 20 from 50, so you get 30. Less 1, so you get 29. Total how many numbers lie between this 20/100 and 50/100? There are 29 numbers. How many numbers? 29 numbers. And which number will come? You can say here 21/100, 22/100, 23/100, 24/100, and that's up to 49/100. Are all rational numbers lie between 20/100 and 50/100. Also you can write here 2/10 and 5/10. So we can write here 2/10 and 5/10. Yes, hence so we can write here any three number. Out of this, any three number you can write. Okay, 21 to up to 49, any three number which you like. Here we can write here hence 21/100 upon 22/100 and 23/100 are three rational numbers lie between 1/2 and 1/5. Lie between 1/2 and required answer. Because 1 upon 2 can be written 5 upon 10, then 1 upon 5 written 2 upon 10. That is 5 upon 10 can be written as 50 upon 100 and 2 upon 10 can be written as 20 upon 100. Actually, this number we had written at last. This number also will lie between 1 upon 2 and 1 upon 5. No need to get confused. Okay.